Hey, it's Emma and today I'm here with the February unboxing of the Bellabox. Now the Bellabox is a monthly subscription box that you get in Australia and I've been getting it for a couple of months and I wanted to see what this month is going to be. We have this little thing here which has all the information of what is actually inside. Cool. Alright, cool. So the first thing we have is this original source green banana and bamboo milk shower gel. Smells really good. Okay, well I'm gonna like that one. Next thing we have is a La Roche-Posay purifying foaming gel for oily sensitive skin. Alright, cool. So I think this is like a cleanser, I'm guessing. Foaming gel, supposed to. Alright, so then the next thing we have here is this little eyeshadow. It's in this brown shade here. First Class eyeshadow. Is that the name? I don't know. But it's by Manicadar Beauty. Alright, the next thing we have here is the Lavera. I don't even know. It's all in a different. Oh wait. Okay, this is a firming day cream with hyaluronic acid. Cool. Oh, and it's vegan too, so that's really good. Always try and head towards a vegan option. Next thing we have here is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with vitamin E, and this one is a perfecting facial oil. Oh, cute. Okay, cool. So it's a bit tiny, so this is it here. So you just get a little sample size there, which is quite nice. The next thing is, ooh, cool. Okay, so this is a gift voucher to I'm guessing it's like a food thing, like a Weight Watchers. We plan, we pack, we deliver, you cook. Rightio, well that's cool. If I ever want to do that, I've got this ready. And then the last thing is a Luer anti-aging biocellulose mask. Anti-aging? Thanks. I'm 20. Well, it'll go downhill from here, I guess. So that was the February unboxing of the Bellabox. I hope you liked it, and please subscribe and like if you want to see more videos. How dare you?